What's up, I'm Elia, singer and extreme vocal coach, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the fry scream safely and with control, even if you're just starting out. If you've always wanted to learn how to scream without hurting your voice like this, come on! You are in the right place. We'll break the technique down step by step, go over common mistakes and how to fix them, and I'll walk you through your very first fry scream. Ready? Let's get into it! Step 1. Breath support. The first thing we want to do is breathe properly. Super important. I don't want you to lift your shoulders like this, but instead I want you to use your diaphragm and expand your rib cage like this. This is right! Step 2. Take a note in your mid to high range. Ah! Hold that note out. Ah! And add that glottal closure like this. Imagine someone is punching you in your stomach or like you're lifting something really heavy. That closure brings your vocal folds really close together, and that's key for your fry screaming. Step 3. The transition. Once you're comfortable doing both steps, start blending them. And now try to do it more slowly. You notice that in the middle of that transition there is a slight distortion starting to show up. That's the sweet spot. Your goal is to find that exact point and keep the balance between clean tone and distortion. When you hit that point, your vocal folds will be in this semi-closed position, and all you have to do now is push more air using proper breath support and Congrats! You just found your fry scream. Come on, mistakes! Too much air. Don't do this is wrong, it can damage your voice over time. Instead, try to add more voice to your fry and try to reduce the airflow. Another really common mistake is tensing up your whole body like this. There's no need to turn into Super Saiyan. If the scream doesn't come out, don't add tension. Relax instead. Chill. Chill. I told you. If this video helped you, leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more tutorials, exercises and vocal tips. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where I post short tutorials almost every day, link in the description. And if you want to work with me directly, you can book a private extreme vocal lesson by sending me a DM on my socials. I teach people from all around the world, and I can't wait to work with you too. I got a lot of tricks to teach you, man. Or girl. That's it from Elia. See you in the next video. Get some!